Hey there, I'm Jade Ember, and welcome back to 1xBet TV. Today, we're diving into something that's blowing up across Nepal in 2025. And no, it's not some celebrity scandal, not a political drama, not even a new TikTok trend. It's something way bigger. It's 1xBet. Yep, you've heard the rumors. You've seen the flexes. Maybe your friend already bought a new phone with his winnings. And now, it's everywhere. From Saja Yatayat rides to school gate gossip. You hear about it nonstop. Some say it's the best kept secret to earning quick cash. Others say it's a ticking time bomb. And here's the twist. The government's not exactly ignoring it anymore. There are raids, headlines, even busts. So what's really going on? Is 1xBet just hype? Or is it actually changing lives here in Nepal? Stay with me, because this might just be the most eye-opening 4 minutes you spend today. Let's get into it. So, why are more and more Nepalis logging into 1xBet every single day? It all boils down to this: effortless access, crazy good bonuses, and your cousin explaining odds like he works for ESPN. Signing up? It's super simple. Just your phone and the official 1xBet app. But listen carefully, this part's important. There are fake 1xBet apps circulating online, especially on Android. And a lot of people are losing their money because they downloaded the wrong one. This is serious. Don't risk it. Let's clear this up once and for all. There's a huge difference between the real 1xBet app and the fake ones. Here's why it matters. People losing on Aviator and other 1x games like Crash, they're not just unlucky. The fake apps you find online come with rigged games, meaning the plane on Aviator crashes almost immediately, no matter what you do. That's why you hear stories of some players making thousands in just a few Aviator sessions, because they're on the real app. Meanwhile, if your plane keeps crashing right after takeoff, you're probably on a fake app designed to make you lose. This is the harsh reality behind the wins and losses you see. So please don't risk your money on fake apps. The only safe way to get the real 1xBet app? Follow the guide we've put together for you right here on 1xBet TV. These step-by-step videos are the only trusted way to download the real 1xBet app on both Android and iPhone. Plus, when you sign up using the official 1xBet TV promo code from our guide, you unlock the best welcome bonuses. Bonuses you won't get anywhere else. So remember, download only from the sources we show you. Use the official promo code. Protect your money and your winnings. Trust me, it's the smartest move if you want to get started the right way. Live betting on Nepali favorites like football and cricket? Absolutely. Weekly promos, free bets, instant withdrawals. It's all here. Deposit your way, eSewa, IME Pay, bank, crypto, you name it. No card issues. Just tap and deposit. The moment you're in, you're playing for real. One tap, one bet, one win away. And here's the truth. People are actually winning. As one student in Koteshwar told Rising Nepal, I started placing bets after seeing ads on YouTube and Facebook during lockdown. Now, a bunch of my college friends use it to earn extra money. And on Reddit and Instagram, you'll spot posts like, got 11,000 NPR profit this month. Felt risky, but worth every minute. Lost some, won some. But it's become this secret side gig among my cousins. So what's fueling the 1xBet craze in Nepal? Accessibility. Insane bonuses. That one friend who made bank last week, or so they claim. And yeah, a whole lot of FOMO. Crackdowns in the news, Telegram chats full of so-called winners. It's messy, but it's real. Is it risky? Of course, but is it working for people? No doubt. The only question left is, are you just going to watch? Or are you finally going to place your first bet? Download the app, make your move, see what happens.